party all night. Say you wanna party, let's party all right. Party all day, party all night. Say you wanna party, let's party all right.
What's up, gang? What's up, squad? You heard me? It's your boy, Pooty Vuitton, you heard me? We all here, Black Country Stables. Thanks to YouTube, you heard me? Thanks to y'all. You heard me? I didn't upgrade it, you know? So I'm here. But yeah, I came to give y'all a very important message. A very important message. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a horse giveaway off the flap. 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a horse giveaway. All you gotta do is follow my Instagram. It's gonna be in the link in the description. Tell people to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribing to the channel. Like this video, you heard me? And I'm doing a horse giveaway off the flap. Make sure y'all comment, you heard me? And I got y'all. For real, out the flap, out the flap. Oh, how this look, how this look, how this look, how this look. I could be a model, huh? But yeah, I got a popsicle because it's about what, 125 degrees out here. But I'm gonna just do some basic stuff because I ain't posting no while. So I'm gonna show y'all how to clean the horse stalls, you know, stuff like that. But I really want to just tell y'all about the horse giveaway. Who really want it? That's all I'm asking. It's a free horse. You don't gotta pay nothing. All you gotta do is subscribe. Get me to 1,000. I'm gonna do a lot of horse giveaways, so y'all just gotta stay tuned, you heard me? Turn on your post notifications, like this video, comment, you heard me? And y'all gonna get a free horse, man. Cause, I mean, look. Hey, look, man, come on, man. Who don't want a free horse? But yeah, do that. I'm gonna pick, you know what? I'm gonna pick 3 people, giving away 3 horses. I'm gonna pick 3 people, giving away 3 horses. Out the flap. Make sure you comment. Tell your friends if they want a horse, tell them to subscribe and all that other stuff.
You over with, nigga. I ain't giving me
But yeah. You hear me? Make sure y'all follow my Instagram. You know, I'm gonna do a little dance for y'all. If I do this dance, y'all gotta subscribe and like this video, cause I don't really dance a lot. But I'm gonna show y'all this dance. This is my Zydeco right here. Started with this style, so stay tuned. You heard me? Black Country Edition going in all year. So yeah, talk to you. What's up, gang? I'm finna teach y'all how to clean clean a stall, man, quick and easy. You heard me? How it's really supposed to be. It's not too hard. Just try not to dig up no holes, really. And I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. It's the Black Country Edition. that's the spot he actually like to urinate at. Like that's his favorite spot. I don't know why. But you know, everybody has his favorite spot. Don't y'all use the toilet? Y'all gotta go crazy, go stupid, go crazy, go stupid, What, you don't like me? You don't like me, huh? What? Have to take some anger out, man. Whew. It's too hot for that. It is too hot. This is the finished product.